I'm the modern developer. I work a 9 to 5 job. I join daily stand up meetings. I use Jira and push code to GitHub. I am part of a team and we are constantly delivering new technologies for our clients. I'm the modern dev guy with a career in full stack web development. And how did I get here? By learning from channels just like this one. In today's fast-paced world of software development, it can be difficult to stay up to speed on the latest and greatest technologies. Well, that's where I come in. Unlike other channels, I won't bore you with the nitty-gritty details. If you're anything like me, too much of that information, and I'm slowly looking for the nearest exit. Not on my channel. Whether it's a new framework for front-end web development, or a new package manager that just hit the scenes, or some new fancy, shiny content management system. It's my job to bring you up to speed on exactly what you need to know to get educated and to get started quickly. Every week I post new videos in GitHub branches that are both informative and educational. Every Wednesday and Thursday, I'll be streaming live on YouTube and Twitch at 7 p.m. Central, where I take on real-world challenges, breaking down all the steps along the way. I firmly believe that anyone can master the world of software development as long as they're willing to learn. So join my channel today and start learning fast.